Being a YouTube creator can be quite the roller coaster ride. You have some ups and you have some downs. And it can be quite emotional where your anger as well as your joy can propel you to success. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you some things I heard from Dr. Anita Phillips. I actually read it in her book titled The Garden Within. And on page 84 is the key to our monetization success. Page 84 says, it was written by Dr. Anita Phillips, who is a therapist. She's an author and she's a preacher. She preaches all around the world. And her research says, and I quote, research shows that while anger helps us to solve problems faster, joy helps us solve problems more accurately. Now, which would you rather, faster or accurate? In some cases, you would choose fast, and in other cases, you would choose accurate. But I would believe that all the content that you write would be accurate. It is very important to be accurate in this global digital marketing world. Now, what I'm going to do is give you a quick, fun, easy test nearing the end of the video. There are 20 questions. There's 20 questions that you answer true or false, and you're going to answer whether anger or joy, especially joy. Basically, I just want you to get a paper and pencil or get your notes from your Android phone, get the note icon out and type in or write in a T or a F. So stick with that, hang on, and we're going to get to that in just one moment. Being a creator requires time and consistency. It requires watching your analytics. It requires a consistency. It requires learning and growing, which is very key to being monetized. And today I'm going to be talking to beginners. So those beginners who want to be monetized. So there are keys in this video that will help beginners to be monetized on YouTube. And basically it's from what I've read, 2 points that I've read on page 84 in Dr. Anita Phillips' book. And anger and joy both have problem-solving results. That's the key. So being a YouTube person who gets monetized, or your business gets monetized, you're basically solving someone's problem. Anger and joy are emotions that we experience on a daily basis. And what is dominating you? What emotion dominates you most of the time? So you ready? Do you have your paper and pencil or your note app ready to respond? And just put a T or an F by the question or the comment that I make. We're going to go through 20. Let's get ready. Now, 1, you completed a video. 2, you edited your video. 3, you learned Canva, and I am reading from my notes. Can't remember all these questions. 4, you made a thumbnail. 5, you learned how to upload a video. 6, you check your YouTube studio analytics, or you just check your analytics on YouTube. 7, you replied to comments on your video. 8, you liked someone's video. 9, you commented on someone's video. 10, you researched your YouTube's title. 11, and please again like and subscribe. It will help me to grow my channel and get monetized, and we'll do the same for each. 11, you got your proper rest from YouTube. It's very important. 12, you've got 500 plus views on your video. Now you're answering T or an F if this is true for you. You smile in your videos. Smiling can be quite the complicated matter, believe it or not. 14, you have 500 plus subscribers. 15, you are learning something new every day to grow your channel. 16, you are happy for others when they get monetized on YouTube. 17, you have gotten better with your videos over time. Number 18 is you do not compare yourself to other content creators. Let me repeat that. You do not compare yourself to other content creators. Is that true or false for you? Number 19, you encourage other YouTubers. And the last one is number 20, put a T or F beside it. You focus on improving your channel. Now, those were 20 observations, questions, and check the list. Do you have at least 10 marked with a T? If you have 10 marked with a T, you're in a good space, you're headed towards success, and whether it be being monetized or success in your business, 10 of these out of 20 is very good. It's very good. So thanks for watching again. This is our time as beginners to grow our YouTube channel. It is critical that we follow the guidelines of YouTube that they have set forth, as well as these points that I've made. A lot of these points that I've made, these 20 points, they fall right in line with the YouTube guidelines. But YouTube will be the final say. That algorithm will love you, will like you for talking and saying to people what they want to hear. Bottom line is you will be problem solving. You will be helping someone with their life, to grow their life, to grow their channel, to grow their business. It's just not about you. It's about the other person. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy and have a blessed day.